Another major fitna is the friendship that we have these days. Our youth, whether male or female, boys or girls, or adults, what kind of friendship we are keeping. It is a big fitna of the time. Rasul Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, Al-Maru ala deen khalilihi. A person is on the way of life of his friend. فَلْيَنْزُرْ أَحَدُكُمْ مَنْ يُخَالِلْ أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. In other words, each and every one of you, before you befriend a person, then think very, very seriously, who are you befriending? And why are you befriending him? One is nodding acquaintance salam with everybody, how are you, keep well. And one is when you make that person your bosom friend, intimate friend, and intimate companion, then at that time the person must be very careful and on guard that who is he befriending. Because this friend of his will either have influence over him or he will influence the friend. Now if he hasn't got strong taqwa and yaqeen and iman and sadaqat and tawakkul, faith and trust in Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, and sabr and shukr and zuhud, so then he will get influenced very, very easily. And this is what is happening. It is, as I mentioned, worse than poison. Bad friendship is worse than poison. Poison at the most the person will die and he will turn to dust. But when he has got bad friendship, then that poison will not only harm him here, but it will harm him right until the day of judgment. So many people have lost their iman because of poor friendship. We all say that friendship for the sake of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, it is a very rewarding thing. Rasul Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, if we look at his ahadith, there are so many on the great rewards of befriending somebody solely for the pleasure of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. On the day of judgment, under the shade and the throne of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, they will get shade when nobody else will be, or when everybody else will be in terror and in torment and in azab. So these people will be under the shade of Allah ta'ala. Those who befriended solely for the pleasure of Allah ta'ala.